It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials along with the park brake. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have some lighting controls and OnStar. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the right, we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports and power plug-in. To the left is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, 4 full-size doors, running boards down below, remote start. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, a tonneau cover, the X31 Offroad Package, which includes skid plates, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, and off-road suspension. At the very back we have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. This truck also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.